Okay, you guys remember, first I divide, then I multiply, next I subtract, bring it on down, repeat, or remainder, okay? So I'm gonna divide here. I like to put my little multiplication symbol. I'm gonna divide 4 by 2. So I can ask myself, 2 times what gets me 4? And 2 times 2 gets me 4. So I've divided. Next I multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Then I subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then I bring down my 7. And I know I'm going to repeat because my 7 is bigger than my 2. So I'm going to go back to the top for round 2. This time I'm going to divide 7 divided by 2. So 2 times what gets me 7? Well, I know 2 times 3 gets me 6. 2 times 4 gets me 8. That's too much, so it must be 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Next I subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring it on down. Bring down my 8. And then repeat a remainder. I know I'm going to repeat for a third time because 18 is bigger than 2. 18 divided by 2 is what? I can ask myself, 2 times what gets me 18? I know that 2 times 9 gets me 18. Then I'm going to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. I don't have anything left to bring down, and so this must be remainder of 0. Alright, this one down here does not have the arrows for me, but I can still do the same thing. 8 times, I'm going to divide. First I divide, then I multiply, next I subtract, bring it on down, repeat, or remainder. First time when I divide here, 9 divided by 8 equals what? Well, I know 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. That's too much. It's going to be 8 times 1. Next I'm going to multiply. 8 times 1 equals 8. Subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring it on down. Bring down my 2. And I know I'm going to repeat because my 12 is bigger than my 8. 12 divided by 8. Still, I know 8 times 2 is 16, so that's too much. So it's still going to be 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Subtract 12 minus 8. I know 8 plus 4 gives me 12, so it's going to be 4. Bring it on down. I've got that 3. Okay. Repeat or remainder. I'm going to repeat again. This time, 8 times what gets me 43? Okay. I know